So for primer, I'm just going to be using my Garnier Moisture Match Combination to Oily Skin. Primer, this is like a moisturiser, but obviously it is for, you know, oily to combination skin. So obviously this does help to mattify my T-zone. So I'm just going to be just rubbing this just where I get oily, so just around my nose or my moustache. And just rub that in my T-zone. And then have a new foundation to try. I did buy this a few months ago, but I didn't really try it out. So this is the Lottie London All About That Base foundation stick in the shade Golden. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my skin. So for concealer, I'm going to use my Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C4. And then to set everything in place, the RCMA No Colour Powder, just to set everything in place. And then for contour slash bronzer, I'm also using my Make Revolution Ultra Bronze bronzer. Putting on some of my MAC and Prime Fix Plus. And then for highlighters, I'm using my Soph Make Revolution palette. I'm just going to take these two shades. And then for eyes, I'm just going to be using my EYN Beauty Bay Bright Matte Palette. I'm just going to be taking this shade Drizzle, which is like a grey taupey colour. And just pop that in my crease as my transition shade. And then I'm just going to take this blue eyeliner. So this is from Lava. This is the Twist Up eyeliner pencil. And it's like obviously a dark blue shade. Blue, so I'm taking this Bobbing Along shade and just run that underneath my lash line just to blow out. Then taking like an brow brush, so like just a plain angled brush. I'm just going to be doing a wing, but I'm going to be using a colour. This Zoeva Regency Graphic Eyes waterproof pencil. Just run that on the brush. Just just like so, and then I'm just going to jump off camera and do the other eye, and then I'll be right back to do the eyebrows and the lips. Then my NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Beige. So I'll be putting on my MAC Honeylove. And then MAC Fleshpot just in the middle. And the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. For mascara, the Maybelline Go Collossal Mascara, and then I'm just going to pop my lashes on after I have just run through my lashes with this mascara. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please smash a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.